Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to quickly thank you guys for being here today and watching my last video where I've made my winged eyeliner tutorial. It was a lot of fun making it, so hopefully you guys can learn a thing or two from it and have fun with it. But today I'm going to be showing you how I draw my brows. It was a lot of fun making it as well, so hopefully you guys can learn something from it. So please stay tuned. What I'll be using is the Tarte Amazonian Mousse Clay in Rich Brown. Alright. I really like this brow clay because it's highly pigmented, so all you need is a little bit and it goes a long way. First, I just dab a little bit of the clay here, and then I just go in with the brush. Lightly brush it, lightly, so you lightly brush it along the lower brow, like so. And I also really like this because it comes with the brush, this tool brush, so you don't actually have to go out and buy another brush. Just like this. And then I really like to just go in there and cover the empty spots. And just in case, I really like to use Q-tips because it really helps me clean out all the messiness of it, and it also helps me lighten it to make it more natural. Like this. And then same with the other side. Just dab a little clay with your brush and just go in lightly. Like so. And I like to use this side to just brush it out like this. I just want to make sure that it looks even. Like this.
Again?
Yes.
So you're talking to your invisible friend?
Yes.
The camera?
Yes.
So is that your friend?
Yeah, Zachary. Why do you have so many questions, silly
I
goose?
have a lot of questions because the YouTuber can hear me. Actually, hello friends! Everybody can hear me.
That hair stroke look to my brows to make it more natural as well. Like this. I like to go in there and just clean it up. All right. Alright guys, so this is how it came out. Alright, that was it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button, comment down below, and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you guys next week. Bye!